Hi everyone, welcome back to the Guide Up YouTube channel. Today for this video of Guide Up, I will be showing you how to share Spotify song on Instagram. Now to do that, open the Spotify application first, tap open the application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Once you have been logged in into your account, you need to play a song that you want to share on the Insta story. You tap and play a song. I'm just gonna play a random song over here. Okay, this one. So this is the song that is currently playing in my Spotify. For you to share this to the Instagram story, what you have to do is tap on the share icon at the right side, click that. It will give you this option to share. From all this option, you will see the Insta stories one. You tap that. It will redirect you to the Instagram account that is logged in into your phone. There you can see the song name appearance. So once you tap on that story will be posted to your Instagram right away. So this is how you can share Spotify song in Instagram story. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Guide Up YouTube channel. Thank you.